Hello everyone. In this video we will discuss about modals. So let's start. Modal verbs. Modal verbs are a group of auxiliary verbs that are used to express a range of functions, the chief of which are ability, possibility, permission, or obligation. The finites, which express the mode or manner of the actions denoted in the principal verb, are termed as modals. Helping verbs like can, could, will, would, shall, should, may, might, must, ought to, have to, has to, and had to. These are known as modal auxiliaries. They express the degree of certainty of the action in the sentence or the attitude or opinion of the writer or speaker concerning the action. Need, dare, and used to are called semi-modals. Nature of modals. Modals are never used alone. So, modals have a principal verb with them. Modals do not change according to the number or person of the subject. Modals do not have the infinitive form. We cannot place to with them in order to use them in a sentence. Two important classes of modals are pure modals and semi-modals. The use of modal verbs is determined by the meaning which the speaker wishes to express and the situation in which the verb is used, as there are fine shades of difference in the meaning of the modal verbs. Many times, different verbs may be used in the same situation. Read the following sentences carefully. Could you please be quiet? Must you talk all the time? Can you be quiet? Will you be quiet? Sentence 1 shows a polite and formal way of asking someone to be quiet. Sentence 2 shows that the speaker is annoyed. The sentence could be spoken by a person who is in some way superior to the listener. There is little politeness in it. Sentence 3 has a tone. It is as if the speaker were throwing a challenge to the listener, saying that keeping quiet would be an impossibility for them. Sentence 4 shows annoyance and authority. The speaker is almost ordering the listener, dismissing them in anger. Usage of modal verbs. Modal verbs are used to express functions such as possibility, ability, obligation or necessity, permission, prohibition, advice, suggestion, request, and resolve. Modals verbs cannot stand on their own and are always used along with main verb. The verb that is used with a modal is always in its base form or the bare infinitive form. Unlike the primary auxiliaries, modals do not change according to subject and number. This means that we do not add s to modals when the subject is in the third person singular number. Modal verbs do not change with the change in tense. This means that modal verbs do not have ed forms. Some modals do not have past tense forms. However, these forms have their own independent uses. Examples of modals. I hope that with the help of these examples, you all have understood the topic but I explain it again. Number 1. Can. Can is used for expression of possibility, ability, permission or request, and suggestion. Example, a holiday trip can be expensive. Could is used to expression of possibility, ability in the past, permission or polite request, and polite suggestion. Example, we can go by train. You could play the guitar. Number 3. Shall. Shall is the verb of simple future tense. It is used for the expression of future action, future resolve, and future suggestion. Number 4. Should. Should is used for the expression of possibility and likelihood. Next, will. Will and shall are used to show determination or a promise and sometimes a threat. Will is used to make request or to ask for favors. Will is also used to ask for information. Would. Would is the past tense of will. Would is used for the expression of future action in the past and polite request. Now, may. May is used for the expression of possibility and formal permission. Example, it may rain tomorrow. May I leave the room now? Might is the past tense of may. It is used for the expression of possibility in past and used for the expression of suggestion. As for example, he said it might rain the next day. Must. Must is used for the expression of a strong necessity or obligation. Example, you must complete this work now. And must not for prohibition. You must not tease the animals. Had to. Had to is used to expression for necessity and obligation in the past. Example, he had to leave his apartment when he could not afford to pay the rent. Dare. Dare is used for the expression of warning and courage. Example, how dare you? Dare anyone go there? Need is used for the expression of necessity. Example, no one need think that their jobs are at risk. Next, ought to. Ought to is also used as the expression of duty, necessity, and moral obligation. Not as forceful as must, but stronger than should. Example, you ought to be more punctual. I hope you all have understood the topic. That's all for today. In our next class, we will discuss about the format for short stories. Thank you.